At the beginning of Ramadan, Rio was hit by floods, especially in Camaragency, which caused a number of roads to be submerged, and the main roads were completely cut off and impossible, because the high intensity of rainfall meant that the water could no longer be dammed. The PLTA was forced to open part of the PLTA gates. Until this afternoon, 5 gates had been opened and the width of the gates that were opened was 170 centimeters, with a rise in water depth of up to 14 meters. The government also applied residents living near the Kampar River to evacuate immediately so that unwanted things would not happen.
The information above concludes our meeting today. I am Elvira Venetia. I will take my leave until we meet